Hello viewers, and thank you for joining me in today's Kaspa coin price update and technical analysis. In few minutes I'll be making a quick analysis on the current price performance of Kaspa coin and the possible future performance of the coin. So if you are interested in this particular video, you can watch it to the end so you won't miss any of the vital informations I have for you. As you can see, this is the 1 hour chart of Kaspa, and the price of Kaspa is currently above the 200 EMA. All right, so this blue line you can see right here is the 200 EMA, and the price is currently above the 200 EMA, which is an indication that Kaspa is currently on an uptrend. All right, now when you go back to the previous chart when it broke above the 200 EMA right here, you'd realize that after this break above the 200 EMA, a resistance was created at this particular position. Now this is the resistance. All right, this is the created resistance. All right, so this is the resistance right here. You can see the resistance established right here, and when this resistance was created by the buyers, there's a pullback by the sellers, bringing the price back to the 200 EMA. But because the sell momentum is too low and the sellers are not much to actually take the price below the 200 EMA again, the buyer still went into the market and the price broke above the previous resistance created right here. All right, the price broke from this particular point above the previous resistance. So when you come to the current position of the coin, you realize that the price actually went above this resistance to create a new resistance right here. So you can see the new resistance created right here, and this is actually a stronger indication that the buyers are still in full control of the market. Now, one significant thing I want you guys to take note of is the fact that this particular position right here actually had a consolidation before the break above this previous resistance. There was an actual consolidation within this region, a competition between the buyers and the sellers, and the buyers eventually won the competition around this region, taking the price towards the upside and breaking above this previous resistance right here. So this is a strong indication that the buyers are currently in full charge of the market. So what do we expect to happen on the price of Kaspa next? From what we have right here, from the chart pattern and the price action, what I think will be happening next is the continuation of an uptrend, because it's quite obvious that the buyers are in full charge of the market. And when the buyers are in charge of the market, what you expect and what you see is a continuous pump of the coin. So even after the broke above this previous resistance, now let me mark it to the other side so it will be more understandable. Now, even when they broke above this previous resistance and established this new resistance, you realize that a pullback occurred, bringing the price back from the new resistance to the previous resistance. Now, instead of this pullback to break below the previous resistance, it stopped at the previous resistance, and the buyers are still in charge of the market. So the reason why this pullback stopped at the previous resistance created is because the sellers are not strong enough to take the price below the previous resistance. The sell momentum is not strong enough, and so when they got to the previous resistance, it became the next support for the next pump. And you can actually see it playing out that after they got to this previous resistance, it became the next support, and the next thing you can see right here is an impulsive move, taking the price back up to the newly established resistance right here. And at this current position, what we should be expecting is a breakout of this newly established resistance. So from what we have right here, what I sense and perceive to happen next is a possible break above this newly established resistance. So I expect after this impulsive move from this particular point, that the buyers would actually take the price above the newly established resistance, and then after that the next pullback returns to the resistance, just as it happened at this particular position. It returns to the resistance, and then an impulsive move continues the uptrend towards the upside. So this is what I think will be happening on the price of Kaspa next. This is an uptrend being established, and when an uptrend is established, we actually see more heights and the increase in the price of the coin. So I believe this is what will be happening on the price of Kaspa. This is my personal analysis considering the price action and the chart pattern. If you have your own personal opinion, if there's anything at all you think concerning this current analysis, feel free to drop it at the comment section below, and I'll be there to reply you guys one by one. For those of you who are new to this channel and have not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will always be notified each time I upload videos like this on this channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.